Don't miss food and wine tastings in Greece by George Kaletsos. There is no better country to go to and have food and wine tastings, as Greek culture is intertwined with tasty and healthy food as well as delicious wine to accompany it. Below we have hand-picked the most fun and fulfilling tastings at various destinations in Greece that will leave your taste buds satisfied. Minoan cooking class by the beach, Crete. Your day starts with a scenic drive to the east of Elounda, reaching the Minoan island of Mochlos. The excavations on Mochlos brought to light a plethora of unique findings: Minoan shrines, workshops and a pre-palatial cemetery. The island had become a magnet and center for new industries, including the manufacture of gold jewelry, stone vases and faience 4,000 years ago. On the beach, an archaeologist will introduce you to the Minoan cuisine around the hearth fire. Your culinary adventure will proceed, with you making Minoan-style lentils in ceramic pots on the hearth, make and bake pita flavored with herbs or dried fruits. You will enjoy the fresh food you cooked along with some starters, right on the spot. After your meal, you will be provided with Minoan-style ceramic pots, designs, the colors of paint, and you just learn, paint and enjoy your time. You can also take home the vessels you painted as a nice little memorabilia. Food and wine pairing, Athens, Greece. Discover the Greek wine culture and sample some of the finest Greek wines paired with a high-quality 5-course dinner designed by an executive wine specialist. You will learn all about the indigenous Greek grape varieties and the components that make them so unique, and you will taste their differences. During this experience you will have the opportunity to enjoy a high-quality 5-course dinner while tasting 5 different wines. The wines are carefully paired with specially designed menus that allow their unparalleled qualities to shine. This unique culinary experience combines creative Greek cuisine, fine Greek wines and a deep culinary knowledge, all in a high-quality and relaxed environment. Sightseeing and cooking class, Santorini. First stop on your sightseeing and cooking class excursion is Megalochori village, one of the most picturesque villages on the island, whose existence is recorded back to the 17th century. Admire the historical mansions, the old traditional houses, the pirate hideaways, and learn about the exciting history of merchants and wealthy land barons that used to run the place. Grab a seat at a traditional cafe and enjoy a Greek coffee accompanied with a mastic submarine, one of Greece's most simple yet wonderful desserts. Next stop is Emporio, the largest traditional settlement on the island. View the stunning old windmills on the hillside, the narrow whitewashed alleyways, the iconic blue-domed churches and the ruined medieval castle. A unique landscape full of scenes waiting to be captured with your camera lenses. Final stop is the Nemikos estate, where you will learn about the unique products that grow only in the arid Santorinian soil, the salty climate and the warm Mediterranean sun. Witness the life cycle of Santorinian tomatoes, caper, fava beans and santo nuts from the production into the package and indulge in their tasting. The tour ends in the most creative way. Take part in a cooking class and learn to cook traditional Santorinian recipes under the guidance of a professional chef. Have your lunch and the dessert while enjoying the majestic view, food and culture, Thessaloniki. Start by meeting your host. Begin the day by tasting a few starters to open up your appetite for later. Have conversations about local life and traditions, food or other, along the way. Walk around parts of town that only locals are familiar with, see how people live their daily life, and get a real feel of Thessaloniki. Have some appetizers and beverages to go along. Visit the open market, see how residents shop for food and other necessities. Add flavor to this experience by having a few more delicacies. Complete your tour with a tummy full of tasty treats and wonderful memories. Cooking class, Chios. Kampos is located only 5 kilometers south of Chios town and you can easily access it on the local southbound bus route. Once you get to Kampos you will make your way to the mansion as you'd have been instructed upon booking, where you will be greeted by your hostess for the evening. After you've had a moment to catch your breath and meet the rest of your group, You will roll your sleeves up and get cooking. Following your hostess's instructions, you will make 5 mouth-watering Greek dishes. Time to taste the fruit of your labor. The food is ready. You will sit in the garden for a lovely dinner and enjoy food, wine and conversation with your fellow foodies. George Kaletsos is co-founder of Kudus Life Experiences. Kudus Life Experiences is a custom-designed private travel specialist to Greece for the discerning and sophisticated traveler who is seeking to return to the authentic form of personal discovery and explore really life-enriching travel experiences. If you would like to be a guest blogger on a luxury travel blog in order to raise your profile, please contact us.